Today, taking a look at this is 2012 Honda. What do you mean? What's this? It's a chair.
This what?
It's a chair.
This is a chair? What the hell? How did we do this one?
2012 Honda Civic. I believe this is the 1.8. Using this for the hood, you can actually put it down here and get some real clearance on that. That's Honda. And then there's apparently these two fasteners here that'll open up.
Pretty sure that's all you do for that, right? Oh. Huh. Goes right over that. Okay, cool. Unless you want to... I don't think I need to do that.
Oh, you're gonna break it.
Okay, so that does come out. Fuck. Oh, did break it. Be very careful. Don't do this. Do this. Just very lightly. And pull back. Just want to lift it up just very little bit, and that's it.
Sweet.
Right, that's it. Hey, you don't want to break these.
Especially been a long time back.
Yeah. There we go.
Yeah. I have a skinnier one. Come on.
That's it.
That's it. Yeah.
It's very little, all you need.
And that's it. That's all they need to move. And they got 10 millimeters.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, been like.
You can crack it by
This
hand.
is the third year I don't do the tripod.
It's just like a socket wrench. And then you can
You change the module too?
The boot, yeah.
Why?
Because they're old boots.
How many miles are on it?
Like 90 something.
Oh, okay.
More.
You know more than me.
130.
130, was it? Oh yeah, it was like 120. What am I saying? I gotta look at my thing. No, I looked at when the last time she changed it.
But
and
I
it was over
drove it last
90,000
time.
miles.
Beautiful driving the car. Still.
Good.
She needs an alignment.
Yeah, to go to Firestone.
Look, a brand new tire, man. 4 season. And I bet you never washed the car since you bought it.
How much you want to bet?
I bet you.
Okay, you won.
Leave him alone.
My look, see,
Oh my
I see
gosh.
here, same.
This is your
Paper.
job now. Get the vacuum.
Go get the vacuum. You want to keep complaining about it?
He can do it.
Oh yeah, so then stop talking about it. If I'm gonna do it, then stop talking about it.
So these just kind of come out, right?
Yeah.
But these are 14 mil or 16 mil. They're kind of gunky. Luckily, no oil. Yep, 16.
He's bush. You have something to do. Well, it's still good, clean.
Denso, Japan. Iridium.
Wait, let's get the new one so you compare the difference.
IXUH221.
Yeah, the last time she did the spark plugs was at 91,500.
Oh, so she has done them before.
Yeah. But now the car's at like 130. Different, right?
Well, these are rutheniums.
But I meant like the gap.
The
Compare
gap
the
should be
gaps.
the same.
No, this one's burnt out. Look how short, how much fat gap there is versus
Yeah, the
that.
diode's rounded off on the old one.
Yeah.
A little rounder. It's hard to see on this camera.
What people normally do, they have like a little tool that they put in between them.
Mm-hmm. To
and
check
they can show
the gap.
you like the gap, yeah.
Nah, I trust these NGKs are the same. What did the gap on this say?
What?
Because you got the right gap, right?
Yeah, I have that right now. Maybe I did it in my new note place, but I don't think so.
tight, right? And tight. You want to crush the washer. And then it stops. That's it. Pull it out. You're done. New coil, old coil, original Pierce. Nothing different on the face of it. But these original coils are unmarked. Maybe they're Japanese coils, maybe they're Chinese coils, like cheap Amazon coils. Ah, never mind. It says it right here. Denso from Japan. And these are not
German
marked.
technology.
Oh, Bremi. These are Bremis. Oh, that's fun. All right, Bremi's fine.
I was busy last time. I went to Waffle, Cannon State Road. $90. You put 2,000 of course. It was raining up to
The mileage was at 151, 216. When Gabby told me about it. Is that where they're taking all of them? I heard someone
Take
say
the
that's a
blade
joke
back.
before. I didn't know.
the plate to take it back.
Yeah, I get it. That's one already.
I still have the plate for the Infinity.
Why?
I want to tell you. You know your mom have Mercedes now.
Yeah, nice Mercedes. She like it?
He loves it.
Small, tiny, like,
He loves
like,
it.
He loves it.
like sardine. I don't know what she like about it.
No, now she.
Not there comfortable now.
Just torque?
Like I'm sitting
Huh?
in
Or no?
a sardine.
No, I don't.
Let's not torque that. I'm glad you like the Mercedes, Dad. So we're gonna put number 3.
I don't like it.
Oh, here.
You put number on the last one?
Truck,
Yeah.
more comfortable, big car.
She doesn't want it.
This is like you drive a Mini Cooper.
You have a big car. You have the truck.
Yeah, I know. You told me you like it. I told you, no, I like my truck. See, you tell me. Then she put her eye in this Mercedes color she wanted. But after she got it, she thought I wish I bought the Infiniti. So what am I telling you?
She does this all the time. She's indecisive.
So if you bought the Infiniti, maybe you pay $400 a month cheaper for a couple of years. But this is your car. And it's still a big car. And then she told me, oh, I put a lot of gas.
So stop driving. Man, this one boot is disgusting. What is this for one?
Yeah, that's a good point. Hold on.
What?
But she liked it. But a lot of things inside she don't know how to use on the dashboard.
Why would she know how to use it?
That can be on the back of sleep.
What's he doing?
I want to get this gunk around here. Yeah, make it easy.
I was like, why am I waiting? It's right here. Do the coils need to be a specific order?
Huh?
Did you mark on the coils?
They're universal.
These things?
No.
These spark plugs, they need to be marked?
You could, I didn't.
There. Start marking.
Aha. You knew it. Oh, sorry. That's the new John. That's the last one. That's the last new one. There you go. Put that away. Whoa, this one had a little oil in there. The valve cover leak is definitely on this side. That's not good. Another job to do another day. Park it.
Did you go?
It's magnetic.
No, but like the plastic part, I forgot about.
Oh,
I was like, did you get the... Oh, okay. Press still on the front. Oh, you okay?
yep, fine. Cool. Last one?
Yeah.
There we go.
See? Half an hour.
Now we can do other stuff. Wash the car, fix the headlights.
I want to take it to a car wash. I'll do that right now. We'll go to the 118.
All right.
We can do the
Take it for a
headlights
ride.
first, or we should take it to the wash first?
Wash first,
Right?
because then we can buff the door, see where all the scratches are.
Let me go tell Connor this now.